Well, we're here again with the last part of the tutorial. What are we gonna do is turn around the structure and we're going to fill in with the rods this part of the structure, putting the rods very well, and that's it. As you can see, I just put these three holes, the spheres, in the three corners of the cube, and I'm gonna finish the fourth corner using these three holes spheres, and that's it. It's very easy to do it. So remember to use a piece of masking tape if the connection is so loose, in order to adjust very well the tip of the rod into the hole, and that's it. I only used like 30 pieces of masking tape in the whole structure. Remember that we had 480 connections in the structure, which are so many. Let's turn around the structure. Are we going to connect this pair of spheres with rods? This pair, remember, it's very easy, and that's it. So what are we gonna do now is to go back to the fourth part of the tutorial video at the 4-minute in order to put these nodes or spheres that I'm pointing at with my fingertip. Okay? Once these 4 spheres are placed, as you can see from this top view, we gotta fulfill this 12 spheres part with rods. So here we can see 3 holes that we are not gonna use them anymore. Remember, in order to complete the star, let's go back to the third part of the tutorial video at the minute 6:24 seconds. Minute 6:24 seconds, remember that. And do the same process. So there it is, we got the 64-star tetrahedron structure geometry art. Once built, you cannot disassemble it. Remember that, this is not a puzzle. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful geometry so much. If you want the 64-star set of boxes, just contact me on my YouTube page. So we will see you soon. Thank you so much.